Hey everyone, welcome to another DIY project. This is how to paint flower pot. We picked this up from Dollar Tree, and this is a flower pot that I'm going to use this as a Mother's Day gift. And all you need is this for any kind of pot you have in the house to arrange all your flowers and stuff. And I use this painter tape around this pot and painted in the bottom this Waverly chalk color. And after this all dry out, I'm gonna take this tape out and paint right on top some designs, some flowers and stuff. And let's start doing that. It's kind of dry, not all the way, but I'm gonna take this tape out and then I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna show you what it's look like. This is so satisfying, peeling this tape. Looks pretty cool. Look at that. Looks nice. This is how I kind of want it, not even, it's like a more like a, looks like a dirt area that flowers are growing on top. This is what I wanted to kind of design I have in my mind. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna start my design. Alright, so after I pulled the tape, and this is the design I drew so far. It's just like a kind of a weed growing through this bottom of this ground here, and I drew this long leaves and little branches, and I'm gonna add some more color in it. So let's see, I used the purple so far. I'm gonna use some orange. So I'm using this acrylic painter. It comes with the 12 colors, and these are super, this point, the thing is like really nice and thick, so it's super easy to paint. And I really like this. What you do is, like, before you use this, shake very well and have some kind of any kind of paper or something with you, so you can shake and after that you want it to like push on something to paint to come down all the way. So like you can see this, it's coming down, like, and then now you can ready to paint. Oops, excuse me. Trying to adjust my camera so you can see. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show people because I'm kind of holding right here and painting it. So before you start anything, you need to do that. Just push a little hard. Gives like 2 different colors in it. So I could just go in like a long stroke. And if you mess up something, and if you think, okay, I don't like this design, you can always, before you dry it all the way, you can just use like a little wash paper towel and wipe it down. Or if you want to go in a detail, you can use the little Q-tips and clean it up with the Q-tips. I love this color. It gives a nice little pop. The color. You can do so much with this. So it's super cute. And now I'm going to use some red color. So you always wanted to shake it up first and push a few times so the paint comes down all the way to the little pointy area so you can easy to paint. I only have one green color here. I wish I had like other different colors in here. Green. Super relaxing painting. If you really like to do some painting, this is a nice way to relax and enjoy your painting. So far I did this. I had to stop the video because I needed to tilt the pot to hold and make these flowers and redo some pink flowers and stuff. So far looks super cool. And I'm using this silver color to just mark it on this bottom side, so it looks like a pretty cool effect. Just hold it sideways, and so nothing is like some area not paint or anything, you can just use this pen. So it looks cool. So it's like a stone effect kind of thing. All right, so far I'm done, and looks pretty cool. All right, so this is the final project look like. Turned out pretty good. I'm happy with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake it in the oven for 1 hour. So I'm gonna set my oven for 325. So I'm gonna put my pot underneath the baking sheets. You wanted to bake this for 1 hour. So all those paint set nicely, and don't take it out after its timer goes off 1 hour. You want to keep this pot in the oven till nice and cool down. Then you can take it out. So that way glass won't shatter or anything. So okay, we'll come back and show you what it's look like. Alright, so it's been 40 minutes. I only left it in the oven and took it out, and seems like it's doing just fine, because they said you have to leave it in the oven till like nice and cool down. But I had to cook some food, so I had to take it out. But seems like it's doing just fine, and it's already nice and cooled down. And after this, maybe tomorrow, I'm going to add a clear Mod Podge on top, so it seals everything. It is already kind of sealed everything, this paint, but I still wanted to add Mod Podge and see what happened. I think it should be all right to do that, and I can't wait to give this gift for Mother's Day. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. All right, so this jar, the flower pot, is all ready and set to add this vine twine thing that I wanted to add right on top of these. And pretty much is all done. And after this, I'm gonna put only like a little bit on top of this so it looks nice. And I'm gonna use this glue gun, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit right here in the bottom, some paint and stuff. Other than that, this is going to be my final project. So let's start that. I'm gonna plug it in my glue gun, and I'm gonna get a paper napkin, so in case if it's anything is coming out. You don't need to add glue all the time while you like twisting and putting all around it. Just a couple times or few times that you wanted to add where you think you needed to. So I'm gonna start beginning over right here on top. So it looks pretty instead of just plain. Alright, looks like I need to go get another glue gun. Glue stick. Alright, so I got my glue stick, and I'm going to, oh, now it's coming. I'm going to add it right here in the back. Alright, so I'm just gonna squeeze some glue here at the beginning. All I'm gonna do is just go around it right here. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here. And take some out. So easy to roll on. all you need to do is make sure that you stay close right here. Just my camera here. Okay, so now you can see. I'm gonna try to do as close as I can. So this is what I'm gonna just continually do this for a few rounds. All you do is just go round and round here till your thing is how far you want it. Just like that, and of course at the end I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of glue right here with my scissor. And I'm just gonna cut it like a slanted little bit, so and add a little glue. It looks nice and even. I think it looks pretty. And all you do is just take all these extra glue piece out. And here's on top has a little bit more in it, so I'm going to add right on top here. A bit of this. Go one more round here. All right, I think it looks super cute. See that? It looks really cute, and I'm just gonna go get a napkin with a little bit water in, and I'm just gonna clean this up here. It looks nice and clean. Then you get all these extra dry glue gun stuff. Take it out all, and there you go. You can add whatever the flower you like, fresh flowers or dry ones, or anything will look super cute on. So this is what his final piece look like, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna add some my dry flowers in them. Well, I don't have it right now, so I guess this is what it is look like, and you can add whatever you like. And hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can write below this video, and we'll back to you. All right, thank you for watching.